Okay folks, this morning I want to talk about a coil auxiliary pan and the makeup of the auxiliary pan. First of all, most of them are plastic nowadays. They have been for years. The biggest thing I want to point out is you see one plug. It's going to be a complete circle that needs to be knocked out. That will be for the primary part of the drain where the water goes outside. You see inside of this is what we call a secondary drain. This is where your SS2 switch, your safety switch, your water shutoff switch, whatever name you want to give it, that's where this one would go. Thing I want to point out, when you pop these out, you want to make sure you clean out everything. You don't leave no plastic parts inside of this pan, because as this pan fills up with water, I want you to come here and look at this. You see, even on this other side here, right here, the pan fills up with water. It's going to go out the main drain here, and then the secondary drain. Let me show you how we do it. Normally take a screwdriver. Okay, so come right here. I want you to get right over top of me. And you see this here is the secondary drain that the SS2 switch goes in. A lot of times you can just take your screwdriver and just pop them out pretty clean. Okay, now I'm going to pop out the primary. I'm going to the groove so I can get most of it at one time. You want to be careful here because you don't want to break nothing out. Okay, now I want you to look on the back side of this. Okay, the water fills up, comes downhill. See the pan? See the pan how it's going downhill? The water will migrate into the largest opening. Then, if something happens where the water can't run out here, the water runs downhill and it blocks up and it stops here, then it goes up here and it fills up, then it goes out this hole here. That's where the SS2 switch comes in. This is the SS2 switch that normally screws in the larger opening. Okay, you got a zero in on me. Larger opening, and it goes like this. So as this thing fills up with water, the water will back up and go in here, and it will push this plunger up. I want to show you on a vertical unit, same thing. Get down here and let me show you something. This particular unit here, it had a smaller little hole, okay? So as the water would fill up into this particular unit, it would come out this hole here. And this is the case where the SS2 switch would go here, okay? This here's your primary drain. I want you to look at this hole. See how big this hole is right here? And that's the lowest point. Also, I want you to notice the angle of the pan itself. The higher side is going to be the side with the dam. The lower side is going to be the primary. So if you have any questions of how a coil pan works or how to set up these pans, let me know. Call us at 239-596-5855 at Jones Air Conditioning. Go to jonesairconditioning.com. Please share, subscribe, and comment on these videos. Thank you.